mọi người đang biểu tình đấy nhá. Đang biểu tình đấy, thấy chưa? Chưa bao giờ mình gặp, nhiều lần biểu tình mình chỉ coi trên mạng thôi, mà giờ biểu tình. Thôi kệ họ, mình phải lo cho mình với con gái mình chứ. So they go there on the street and you see. But honestly, before I care about them, but now I don't care. I care myself and my daughter. We deserve to get better. It's not like that. You know, we follow the rule. And even though we follow the rule or not follow the rule, we shouldn't be like that. So that's how they go like that. Before I care for them, I feel sorry for them. But now I care for myself and my girl, you know? That's it. Why should you see? You see? Before when I see that, I feel sorry for them, but now I don't care. I care myself and my girl. That's it. You know? You care them, who care about you and your daughter? You know, that's the problem. You care about them, who care about you and your daughter. Before when I see that, I feel, oh my God, I feel sorry for them. And I really, I wish I could billionaire, I can help them the best I can. But now I'm thinking already, why should I care them and nobody care me and my daughter? Does it make sense? Yeah. Look at, if you see my child, no shower, no school, no food, no nothing, then you can see, then you understand. If your daughter like that, then you will understand what I'm talking about, you know? Yeah. So I go back to 6. Before I feel sorry for them, but now, yeah, I do feel sorry for them, but now I don't care. Why? Not because I'm selfish, but I did care about them, but nobody care about me and my daughter. So now I put my child first, you know? Before when I see that, I feel sorry for them and I wish I can help. I wish I can help if I can, but now I think I have to care about my child. We don't have shower, we don't have food, she don't have school, you know, and we work hard, we follow the rule. We don't deserve that. We ask for job, they don't give it. No matter you follow rules, you don't follow rules, they don't care. You know, everybody cares themselves, so I just feel sorry for them, and now I better just care about me and my girl, you know.